beautiful, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny, and today we are working with Lensmart. We are going to be doing a try on haul of these beautiful blue blocking glasses. So the first pair is called ODETTA. These glasses are so beautiful. I love how they have like the cheetah print, the black and the brown accent, as well as the gold frames. I really like how these glasses, or all of these glasses rather, are very durable and they're thin, so they are very flexible and easy to take with you on the go. These ones are called PERSIA. I like how they're clear, so they can go with any outfit. Again, the frames are very sleek and nice fitting on the face. And I do like how these glasses seem to be really universal. They're not too chunky, so they will pretty much fit on anyone's face. These are Meta. These are more of a gold color. And I like, again, how there's gold accents. These glasses are very, very pretty. And I love these ones. These are the last like classic ones. These are Kennedy. I like, again, the gold accents on these and also the black frame. They go very, very well with any outfit, and I found myself really enjoying all of these looks. I really wanted to pick out the glasses that I felt were most, universal and durable, and you can wear them with almost any outfit, and they're not too much. I do love how they come with the case and everything that you need to take the glasses on the go, because oftentimes, we don't have those cases and our glasses can break very easily. So I can appreciate all these glasses. I'm just showing you guys how they look on, and I feel like they fit my frame, my face. The frames fit my face very well, and I was very pleased. I did take some pictures. I will be adding pictures to the video of all the frames and what they look like in the picture, so you guys can see a still shot. Yeah, you guys, so stay tuned. I have some pictures coming up in just a second. Okay, Kennedy, Persia, Meta, and ODETTA. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that bell button. I will see you guys next time.